Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. The United States Department of Homeland Security is offering undocumented migrants a financial incentive to leave the country voluntarily by the end of 2026, describing the initiative as a Christmas bonus. Migrants who register by December 31 will receive a free flight home and a $3,000 payment, according to the Department of Homeland Security (DHS). Since May, the government has offered $1,000 to migrants who arrange their departure through a mobile app designed for self-deportation. The DHS has stepped up promotion on the program with a holiday-themed appeal, urging migrants to return home. Officials warn that those who do not self-deport risk arrest, forced deportation, and permanent re-entry bans. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.